Hey folks, I'm Clay Delk, Senior Content Strategist at Volusion. Almost everything we create is published in or alongside some kind of design. But in our busy schedules, that's easy to forget. Too often we create our content and send it over without any consideration for the design or the person creating it. So I talked to some of the designers I work with to see what we can do to support a balanced relationship between design and content. Here's what they had to say.
With any design project, it's important to think about the content first. You want to make sure that you connect with your designer. Let them know what's important to you and what's going to be important to your audience. So think about the content first. What do you want on your homepage? Doing this is a key factor in a successful design project.
Collaborate with your designer. Your content will help shape and influence a design concept, so it's important to build ideas together. Your designer can also recommend content that could better translate visually.
So the creative process for a copywriter and a designer is surprisingly similar, but for both it's rarely linear. So it's really important to go back and forth with your designer and to tweak content within a design, and also learn to love word limits.
So one of the most difficult aspects of the creative process is actually giving constructive criticism. Any experienced designer needs quality feedback. We crave it. So if our designs aren't focusing on the most important content, you need to let us know so that we can go tweak the creative and meet the objective of the project.
So one practice that can help content creators and designers produce really great work together is to learn the language of design. Most designers love to talk about rhythm and balance, color, typography, texture. In fact, if we can learn each other's languages, we'll be able to create really compelling content that inspires and engages.
Ultimately, these recommendations boil down to playing well with your peers and being a part of the team. By laying the groundwork, sharing in the concepting, collaborating, giving quality feedback, and learning about other professions, we can foster healthier relationships with our coworkers. If you have any other recommendations for ways to work with design or any other profession, share them in the comments below.